how many integers exist such that not only are they multiples of 2008 to power 2008 but also are factors of 2008 to power 2020. So we have to find those multiples of 2008 raised to power 2008 which are factors of 2008 to raise to power 2020. Our factors are multiples of 2008 to 2020 will lie in the range of 2008 to raise to power 2008 to 2008 to raise to power 2020. As we know that all those factors of 2008 to 2020 which are less than 2008 to 2008 will not be considered. So we have to consider only those powers of 2008 to raise to power 2020 which are greater or equal to 2008 to 2008. It means we need to divide this quantity by 2008 to 2 raised to power 2008 which comes out to be 2008 to raise to power 2012. So this is the number which factors would give us the required numbers, and factor of this quantity, to compute the factor of this quantity we need to break it into its prime factors which will be 2 raised to power 3 into 251 raised to power 12. Therefore number of factors of the above number will be 2 into 12 36 plus 1 into 1 into 12 plus 1 which is 13, which comes out to be 481, which is option B.